gently put her in. There we go. Okay. Perfect.
Here we go. Matt's got his new project here.
There you go.
What are you doing to this one?
There you go.
Pistons.
So Matthew, finish what you were saying. You were going so well. I loved the enthusiasm.
Rods, pistons, and a P1X.
P1X. Okay, so different than the last one was a D1X. No fuel system, no meth. Okay, so just blower only. Headers and stuff at least?
Yep.
Okay, I was gonna say, I hope. So yeah, we just had that white Grand Sport red interior auto car. This is a manual. Joe, you done this thing yet?
I'm just a hater.
So fuel system looks like, it's hard to see under here because you don't have a light. Let me guess, they're dead?
You want to see how? Look at the top it's got.
Yeah, see, trash. Absolute garbage. Dude, you're just helping me. You're just helping me prove a point right now. All that trouble for that little bit of light.
I mean, these are the meth wires. I haven't done that yet, but it's got the fuel system all in there, regulator. I still got to do the vacuum line and whatnot for the rest, but
Flex
yeah. Yep, flex fuel. Got it all ran down in here, all tucked behind here. Can't even see it. I mean, it's right here a little bit, but I still got to tuck that down there into that connector.
Ooh.
Want me to raise it up so you can see underneath?
Sure. Why not? You're so
Glad
excited.
you asked.
Jeez. What a gift. Gift to us all. Obviously, you got the reinforced brick. It's in there. Yep. Still got meth and intake. That's it, right?
I believe so, yeah. Just the wiring to the fuel system left. That's it. But I'm leaving all the wiring to do at the same time.
Yeah.
So, instead of going back and forth.
All right, let's take a look.
So, got your fuel pump and fuel filter mounted. Your lines ran. Goes back to here. You got your feed. You got your return.
Nice. We'll leave you to it.
You shut him up.
For real?
Yeah, what is what?
Did he like sniff
For real?
paint fumes?
For
or
real?
something?
For real? Oh, for real?
All right.
That's my favorite. Ooh, just dropped a J-clip off it. Son of a bitch. Turn the fan on.
Stage 4, C6E. Head scan, headers, intake.
Kind of a stage 4. Our stage 4 is a memo MSD. This does not have a memo MSD, therefore it's not our stage 4.
Just an MSD.
It's ported by somebody.
Well, all the things that come in stage 4, just non-memo. Let's get down to business. Pretty good so far.
That's about all I'm making.
Header coating stinks.
Terrible.
Really bad.
Yeah.
I thought it was clutch at first, and then I realized they were
The clutch is not happy either.
Yeah.
I'm holding it up with my foot.
Yeah.
First 2 pulls I did at like 6,500, it just like zinged right past it. Like 15,000 miles of the car too.
Everyone's different.
Yeah. Some work, some don't.
Quick update on this. It is off the dyno. The intake manifold is off. It was having idle issues, and Fran has mentioned he's never had an idle issue, especially with our cam package, ever before. And the only thing different on this was whoever ported the MSD. So we put a stock intake manifold on. Oh, we're gonna put a mamo on, see what it does. So Jerry's putting that together now. Thanks. Is that the mamo?
Yeah. There's other ones in this box.
Okay. We'll give it back to him, he can whatever, but we'll see if that's the case. But you put a stock one on and it was fine.
I don't fine.
Yeah.
Tried swapping throttle bodies and nothing. I don't know. It could have been some, because that guy ported the runners. The runners aren't ported.
True.
So. Well, not the full runner. That guy ported the full runner. Our only ported.
Her job looked nice, it just was having issues. Really good game over when it came in.
What did the baseline?
469.
So Eric won that one?
No, I did. He changed his guess because it had a Variam already on it. And he went higher, and I was closest. He was close. Eric, you still want 469?
Do 487.
487.
Unbelievable. I was so. You talked me out of it. I would have went 469. You're like, but it's got the.
No, I didn't. I just said it's an intake. Do you still want 469?
Yeah, I know. And you like, and I'm like, oh, he's talking me out of it.
That's funny.
It is. Like, what? I'm just
I mean,
telling you.
469 is a good guess whether it has an intake or doesn't have an intake.
Because they're like 10. I mean, they all vary some. In that 450, 460 neighborhood.
Yeah.
Sunset, Daytona, whatever, orange.
Daytona, Sunset, Orange,
That.
Metallic.
Yeah, a little dyslexic. Right?
Those 6 only colors.
Yes, that's what I thought. We have a Trans Am in this color too.
We did?
Or WS6, I think.
Yeah, we did.
Damn. Good.
I mean, it's not really good. It's just a very commonly pictured car, and you're a photographer, so therefore you've seen a bunch of pictures of it.
I've never shot one, and I'm not a GM-like head at heart, so for me to know that,
Yeah, but you know, like Royal Sapphire Blue Sequoia BMW.
look at it say, it's not that hard.
I mean, that's not. I'm sure there's other weird blues.
They're really not, they're all named after racetracks usually, so it's pretty easy to remember.
Oh well.
This
Whatever.
one's more of an oddball name. Not bad though.
No.
I think it has Billy Boat too. It's pretty
Does it? It's a little drony.
It is very true.
Okay.
Okay, good job. Matt has the engine out of this. Taking the heads off and everything. Bring it down to the pistons and rods.
The nittiest, the grittiest.
Get a haircut like me.
Friday.
Tomorrow.
It's Friday.
Yeah. Does that fire you up?
That gets me pretty going, yeah.
That's good. So Eric has the C7 ZR1 on his lift. We have to send the TCM out, obviously it's because it's an auto and they need to be unlocked first. I'm not quite sure what we're doing. I will ask Eric shortly. Let's check on Matt's progress over here on this Grand Sport. Looks like he's filing rings.
That's the way it's done.
Nice cut, Matthew.
Set it and forget it.
Got that freshie.
Yeah, you know. Feeling like a new man.
A little crooked in back.
Get down here.
I'm serious, it goes down like this.
Andrew already peeped it and said it's good. He knows a good haircut.
How, no, he doesn't. He spends like $200 for his bowl cut.
Cylinder 1 just getting going here, so.
Get all the secondary rings and then we run the top jumps.
CP pistons and rods. We should probably buy stock in them by now because I feel like we're doing one of these or two of these a week at least.
They switched the rings and it sucks because
Oh really? They're harder now or something?
I was just so used to the old ones.
Okay. What are we doing on this, by the way? I don't even know.
Putting the LT4 in it. Too much power for him.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, the guy's just not happy with all the power it's making. So
Okay, so we're gonna.
figured he wanted the appearance package, so he just wanted the less horsepower.
It's a ZR1 LT4.
Yeah.
First of its kind here, people. You heard it here first.
It's getting a cam, meth, a lower, 5-inch intake.
Nice.
I think that might be it.
Okay.
Go take it to Greg, and
Okay, so we're doing porta blow.
yeah, we are doing a porta blower.
Okay. I didn't hear that part, so I was wondering.
Yeah,
I thought it's
don't
been a while.
think about that sometimes.
Upper as well, or just the lower?
I'm not sure. Probably I would have to assume it applied to an upper, and probably the 112 throttle body.
Oh, nice. Okay. The owner to this guy, this is the third car we've done for him. I actually wasn't here when we did the first car of his. We did a C6 427 convertible car. I was here during the second car, which was a C7 Z06 we did a Pro Charger on. I actually did a video about that. It was at the old shop. It had Akapovich exhaust, and it was obnoxiously loud. I'll play a clip here. This is his car.
This thing is ridiculously loud. Like, I'm gonna film this from across the street loud.
Someone texted me, and they're at the Jake's Burgers up here. You know where that's at?
Yeah.
Like, and they texted me right after I made a poll, and it's like, I can hear that at Jake's Burgers.
Holy shit.
It's pretty funny.
That's pretty far. I'm gonna map it.
Let's see.
That's insane.
I'll look.
Yeah, it's louder than Mark's red one.
Nah.
Dude, yes it is.
They're the same thing.
I don't know why, but it's louder.
They're the
No,
exact
Mark's
same
doesn't
thing.
have Akapovic. This is Akapovic exhaust.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Forgot about that. I thought this was stock exhaust.
No.
That's loud, even over here. That's loud. So yeah, good customer of ours.
Yeah, it is getting an upper.
It is? Okay, cool. Good customer of ours. Like I said, 3 cars. Super nice guy. He's not exactly local, even though he's in PA. He's Pittsburgh area, so 5 hours or so, but shipped it out to us. Always trust us. Looking good, Maddie.
Yep.
You writing anything on this one? Baby send, half send. So just to recap on this one, we're not doing fuel system, meth, or anything, and we're just doing a P1X. So nothing too crazy, but he did want to build the bottom end to be able to handle more down the road, and this is the time to do it. Cam, pistons, rods.
Time to be alive.
It is a time to be alive. I don't know about the time, but it's a time. Whoa there, Matthew. So yes, we are putting stock clutch back on. Typically we would do a clutch, but customer wanted to have stock clutch, so.
Stevie Jensen.
Jensen, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, that's not horrible. Let's check on the slowpoke over here.
Just doing slow things.
Yeah. So yeah, 5-inch intake on this with meth, AIT, the full shebang. So Eric's continuing work on the C7 ZR1. Everything else is off and out. Getting the new cam ready.
What do we call this again?
Dude, I don't know if we had a name for the...
Yeah, we did.
Oh yeah, it was that 50 Cent song or something.
What?
We got demonetized from it. It was... No, that was the LT1. Matt dubbed the B3 the Butt Slayer just when he does it. Magic Stick? That was...
Yeah, I think that was it.
Because it's a 50 Cent thing. That's what I'm saying.
I got the magic stick.
Yeah.
If I could hit one, I could hit two.
See, told you it was a fitty.
So.
Another angle here. So Eric's slips are on in.
That might sound like a mat install there.
It kind of was.
Shame I did.
How's it coming at you?
Pretty good, actually. I mean, not that it ever goes bad, but
Getting the engine in
yeah.
took all of us.
I would think I'd be pretty fucking close to being done this thing tomorrow.
No fuel system, no math.
I'll be close to ready. I'll be starting that tomorrow morning, probably.
Yeah.
I'm sure it won't be done tomorrow, but it should be close. It got valve covers and everything. That
Oh, that's true.
takes a minute by itself.
Sure does.
So I know people are gonna cry about that intro, so just figured I'd let you know this is Fran's old block that has multiple holes in it. And this is essentially a giant paperweight, so don't get too upset.